Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to place for everything on wheels. Today, we bring you the review of a true American legend, the 2025 Kenworth Classic W900 Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome. It's a moving mansion built on one of the most iconic truck platforms ever created. The Kenworth W900 has long been known for its bold, long-nosed design, shiny chrome grille, and that unmistakable big rig attitude. But in 2025, it's been transformed into a luxurious motorhome that redefines comfort, power, and presence on the road. From the outside, the W900 Motorhome looks massive and powerful. Its chrome bumpers, dual exhaust stacks, extended sleeper, LED lighting, and polished wheels demand attention wherever it goes. It's the kind of vehicle that makes heads turn at every stop. But it's what's inside that really surprises you. Step into the cabin and you enter a world of luxury. The front driving area is equipped with leather captain seats, a digital dash, and a panoramic view of the road. Behind the driver's seat, it opens up into a full living space. There's a comfortable lounge area with recliners, a smart TV, and ambient lighting. The kitchen includes a microwave, stove, sink, and fridge, all designed for long trips without sacrificing convenience. The countertops and cabinets are made from quality, materials that feel more like a home than a vehicle. Move toward the rear and you find the master bedroom with a queen-size bed, overhead storage, reading lights, and climate control. It's the perfect place to rest after a long day on the road. And yes, there's a bathroom too, complete with a shower, toilet, and vanity sink. Under the hood, the Kenworth W900 is powered by a heavy-duty Cummins X15 engine, producing over 600 horsepower and over 2,000 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an Eaton automatic transmission, this motorhome doesn't just drive. It dominates the highway. The ride is surprisingly smooth, thanks to advanced suspension systems and noise insulation. Even at highway speeds, the cabin stays quiet and peaceful, giving you a relaxing experience no matter how far you go. It's also loaded with modern features: GPS navigation, 360-degree cameras, lane assist, emergency braking, and smart control systems that let you manage your motorhome's lighting, power, and temperature from your phone or tablet. Fuel capacity is impressive. Dual 150-gallon tanks let you drive long distances without frequent stops. Add in solar panels, an onboard generator, and satellite connectivity. And you've got everything you need to live off-grid in total comfort. That's all for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more epic reviews of trucks, motorhomes, and everything with wheels. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.